Okay, so in the last video, we set up the front end, but there were a couple of things that I forgot to do before stopping the recording, and I figured I should just do them at the beginning of this one instead. First of all, I never did my Git commit. And second, inside the index file, I didn't change this to take it directly out of components. It's still reaching all the way in. Now, this is not a big deal, really, but I did this. One of the reasons I did that refactor was to make sure that this would work. Now, one of the things is we're never actually calling index in our tests. And because we're not, this test will never fail because this is in the wrong place. Like I could put this into an invalid folder and it still won't fail the test. So this exact piece is not actually being tested. A runner like Cypress would catch that. I mentioned it earlier when I was talking about testing the title tag, for example, but in this case, we can't see it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually start the program and make sure that everything works. I have to obviously be in the right place. Start. And this appears to be okay. Since our app is blank anyway, the only way to really tell is going to be to look inside it. It does say Fullstack to-dos in the title, which is a good promising start. And of course, the body here looks like your standard React stuff. In here, we're going to have just our class of apps. So it does appear to be working now, which is great. And so I am going to I'm going to go ahead and commit this and save it. And I just realized that I think in this video, I'm only sharing my code application window. So for the moment, you're just going to have to take my word for it that it worked. So git add all, git commit -m, going to say all React front end or create React front end. Let's just do that. Create initial React front end, I'll call that. Okay, so that will be my sort of addendum video. And with that, I will go to the next one.